Yes, so my people, UEFA Super Cup, Chelsea now win. Chelsea now be the latest UEFA Super Cup winners after 1-1 90 minutes extra time. Chelsea can win for penalties 6-5. We get Oga Kesta here. Oga Kesta tell us about how you see the game. Oga Kesta, how you see the game. But before that
Uh,
one, make I congratulate you and all the Chelsea fans. Congrats to all the Blues them.
Thank you. The game, if we want to tell ourselves the truth, the Chelsea player has been like people when they run out of battery, when it reached like 65 minutes to the ending. But
Yes.
in first half, Chelsea played well for first half. Second half, I feel say, second half now 60-40. Villarreal 60, Chelsea 40. Villarreal play ball, no push them aside say because they lose the game. You know understand? They play ball, but the Chelsea team made a tire quick, and with that kind of tiredness, not be that kind of thing we want to see for English Premier League. You know.
So, but when you see the game, because the first half, not to Chelsea, not to they no play reach the expectation when I know so many people get for that first half, and before Villarreal score that goal, it be like say that goal they come. You understand because Villarreal don't get one or two chance. Gerard Moreno self, he get the chance when he play when it's post and all of that. You see, get the one when Alberto Moreno, the other guy, left back,
Uh-huh.
we play for Liverpool before. That ball when play where it post to. You'll be like say before they score Chelsea, it be like say that goal they come. But what do you think say go wrong for Chelsea defense for that game?
I don't feel just say Chelsea defense do something wrong. When you see opponents when they try, at least give them the kudos where they
In the
deserve.
credit.
No understand. Chelsea try. Chelsea defense try. But Villarreal attackers try harder. You know understand? Not forget saying that you the defend goal, they see your back. Now the attacker they see your back. So the possibility of attacker scoring you for one-on-one is higher than you stopping the attacker for one-on-one. Because goalpost big, the guy which is so big. That one and one. Secondly, in how they see the big team under your back. You na instinct, you just say the instinct that they protect the ball. You know? So I will tell you say uh that will not be Chelsea's strong team, first of all, to begin with. And that will not be Villarreal's strong team to begin with. But just that when you wear club jersey, being the first team or not this being the first team or second team, you need to come work, put a shift. You know understand? Because now when you do well, they go fit play you as the first team. In a nutshell, I think that Villarreal attack is sharp, yes. For me, Shalom for the defense line, that Shaloma
Shaloba.
boy, that be my man of the match for the defense. Which I see that.
So yeah, but what do you think about you talk about Villarreal attack? What do you think about Gerard Moreno? Because Gerard Moreno for Spanish La Liga last season only Messi next cup passer. And the season does start again this season with this Super Cup now. And now one player where I know say from what I see, I know saying stand out for that Villarreal attack. What do you think about that striker? Because him
Uh,
that striker will be like say, not be say it's just a bit score goal. They won't play like Hurricane somehow. It's a bit drop come, it's a bit pass ball and all of that. What do you think about Gerard Moreno?
the boy is underrated. Let's face reality. Very, very underrated. I don't know his age, but the boy sabi play ball. If that boy dey club like Barcelona, he can't click. Because not be just all about the big club. What I say you still got click to play well. If you play for Barcelona, he click. He play for Real Madrid, he click well. Even at those clubs, if they play for, not be someone with the talk. The boy go down dey play first team for very long time for the Spanish team. But see the club where they did now, Villarreal. Villarreal a small club, very very small club like that. So pedigree wise, I'm not sure say Villarreal gets all due respect to Villarreal though. I know they rubbish them, but I think the club when the guy did that be problem. If not, the boy na football playing attacker or striker, na him be. He said
True.
play ball. Not be just to the
Sabi
score
play
goal.
ball.
He get the moves, he get the footwork, he get the positioning. One-on-one, the boy is deadly. So scale of 1 to 10, I'll give that boy 9.
No be lie, no be lie. I agree with you, Oga Kesta. But Oga Kesta, congratulations to Chelsea. Chelsea don't do them. They don't deliver this UEFA Super Cup. But we know say Chelsea no play up to expectation. You understand?
Yes.
Going into the season now, the season don't start. This one don't kickstart the season for Chelsea. Now, which area from today match where you see which area you think say Chelsea need to improve on?
I'm a Chelsea fan, strong Chelsea fan. You understand? But you see that Kovacic. Kovacic don't be my kind of midfielder. If you watch the game, Kovacic they always they hold ball too much. Then he gets something when I would do that. This phone the day, if not, this like my other phone is there for sure. You see, the goal when they
Yeah.
scored Chelsea, Kovacic the stroll. For Arsenal 18, he's supposed to move in the stroll. That made me they still believe say he doesn't go to counter that game for that time for that goal. Maybe or maybe not, they for not score Chelsea because nobody they pursue that player. The other person again I call Alonso. No, sorry, not Alonso. Jorginho. Jorginho did inside the 18. He's a stroll too. And if we continue like that, it go hard because everybody right now don't improve their squad in numbers, in quality. Everybody don't improve their squad. So all this kind of when they Kovacic they play, they kind of hold ball. Footballer, midfield are not supposed to go for long. And if you watch Kovacic game, try to watch some of the clips last season or season before. If Kovacic they lose ball for dangerous place. Not good when you lose ball in front of your 18. Kovacic then work with that. Sometimes you could just hold the ball too much, and man, that thing is annoying. So if you ask me where Chelsea need to revamp for that team, I'll say that
Yes.
midfield. Chelsea need a midfielder when a ball carrying midfielder and a no nonsense midfielder. Always what the Kovacic they do so that mid table. Chelsea they win trophy fine, I understand.
Yes.
But if you look the team well, all those ball the people like the Kovacic they play that mid table. Now mid table performance, all those people they play. So that's how I see them, man. It invests me well.
Okay, now no be lie. Another year from Oga Kesta hand now about how he see the Super Cup. Maybe like say Chelsea don't win. So thank you, Oga Kesta. Now good one say if we get your thoughts about how you see this match and you just drop them as the odds. So congratulations to Chelsea and good one to have you for this one for this show, Oga Kesta. You too
And
much. We appreciate as you call talk.
I'm not honestly forget that thing when I talk. Say back to back is a vision. Now vision 2022 be that. You know understand?
Okay.
2022, yes. Next year.
2022 now, yeah.
Yes.
All right, now another year from Oga Kesta Matt. He's in a back-to-back Chelsea one run for the Champions League. You agree with him?
Back to back two for the Super Cup.
You agree with him? Okay, now Oga Kesta. Thank you very much. Big up, you too much.
Okay.
I greet you.
Now you do pass.